And next up, we have Asphalt roofing. What we have here is a GAF architectural Timberline HDZ. Here at Roofing Solutions of Connecticut, we are GAF Master Elite installers, so we carry one of the highest warranty options in the market. So the beauty with us as Master Elites is that if anything goes wrong with your roof in the next 20 years, you are fully covered, labor and material. And a lot of our competition will say, oh yeah, there's a warranty, 20 years, lifetime warranty. But are they actually giving you a labor and material warranty? Potentially not. The other great thing with us is that we have to use all the GAF products, from the underlayments, the ice and water shields, and even to their deck tapes. So years ago, your standard asphalt roof was a 3-tab shingle. As the years progressed, now your new standard is an architectural style. They do offer different styles as well, designer series styles. For example, let's say you want to have more of a slate look. Well, you can get a different profile cut that'll simulate a slate roof. They do offer those options, and we also give you those same type of warranties. So what we have here again is the HDZ. GAF also makes one called an Ultra or UHDZ. So it's the same exact shingle, but it'll be slightly thicker. One of the bigger differences besides staining is the wind rating on this. So an HDZ will go with 6 nails, give you a wind rating of 110 miles an hour, where if you go to a UHDZ, you're going to go up to 130 miles an hour. An asphalt roof is very low maintenance, similar to your synthetic roof options, but again, the most cost effective. So your standard asphalt architectural roofs are going to give you between 20 to 30 years. Again, this will always vary depending on your home and how you have different pitches on the facets of your roof. But ultimately, you're not losing anything with an asphalt roof. It's very little maintenance. This is a cost-effective, well-performing roof that'll last you a very long time. If these are of any interest to you guys, or you're in the market to getting a new roof, give Roofing Solutions of Connecticut a call. I will come out there and go over these options with you.